Okay, today we're gonna make a roast in the crock pot. Okay, we got 2 potatoes, 1 onion, we got some celery, we got 2 packs of whole Boston pork roast. One is $1.89, 2.27. Okay, we're gonna start off with our onion. Let me get a garbage bowl. We just washed our onion, then we slice it. This is going in the bottom of our crock pot. The meat's going to sit on top. Take and do like this, separate the pieces. We'll spray our crock pot. Okay, we got our 2 potatoes. 1 potato per person. We cut our taters the long way. Okay. Now we're going to put them in a crock pot on top of the onions. Make sure you cover all the onions. Okay, it's time to add the celery. Try to peel some of the strings off. Peel the bottom part off. Take it and just slice it up. Okay, it's time to add our celery on top of our potatoes. Got baby carrots. Where I rinsed them. Now we're just going to cut them thin. Thin as you can get them. Put our carrots in now. On top of the celery. About a cup and a half. Or 2 large. Either one you want. Okay, we're going to heat our meat up. We're not going to cook it all the way. Just going to heat it up and brown it. I wash my meat off. Cook about 5 minutes on each side. Okay. We'll add some garlic powder. About a teaspoon on this side. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Some black pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay, it's time to flip them over. And cook these for 5 minutes. Now I'll put a little bit of onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Hold on, y'all, a minute. A little bit of salt. Okay, to our veggies, we're going to add a little bit of parsley. Black pepper. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Now anything I put in these, you can leave out if you don't want it. It's just what I'm putting. A little bit of celery salt. Cover the veggies with water. Sorry, you all, I started sneezing. Okay, our pork is done. We're going to turn it off. Okay, the water's up to the carrots. We got some of this. We're going to use it. We're just going to sprinkle it on top. It says it's great for everything. Well, we'll find out. We got some veggie bouillon. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree. We're going to put 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. A little bit of this goes a long way. This right here does. Okay, let's put our roast in here. High for 4 to 6 hours or 6 to 8 hours on low. And don't take off the lid, because every time you take off the lid, it takes 30 minutes for the crock pot to hit back up. So we'll come back, show you what it looks like at the end. And then after we get done, we're going to can ours up. The pork we're going to eat, and the veggies and the broth, we're going to can it up. Thanks for watching. We'll be back. Okay, our meal is done. Now, we're not going to eat right now, so I'm going to end this video. And after we eat, I'll tell you what it's like and all. So, I thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. And now, after we eat, we're going to take everything out and use the broth to can up. That way, if we want to make pork gravy, we can. We got us a big bowl of that roast and vegetables, and I'm going to taste a bite, and I'm going to let you know how it is. Okay, let's get a bite. You won't be able to see me because I ain't got nothing to put it on right now, but you'll see me get a bite out to test it. I got the meat and some vegetables. The meat is pretty good. The vegetables are pretty good. It can use some salt and pepper, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.